Welcome back to Real Education, where we demystify the digital world for everyday learners. Today, we're peeling back the layers of the internet to understand how it connects us across continents, how browsers serve as our gateway to it, and how search engines help us find the needles in the digital haystack. Let's dive into the fascinating world of the internet. At its core, the internet is a vast network of computers connected by physical and wireless connections. Think of it as a global web where information travels at the speed of light, allowing instant communication, access to knowledge, and much more. This network relies on a set of protocols or rules known as TCP/IP, which ensure data is sent and received accurately. Every device connected to the internet, from your smartphone to the server hosting your favorite website, communicates using these protocols. Web browsers are our windows to the internet. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, browsers interpret data from the web and present it in a way we can understand and interact with. Every time you enter a web address or click on a link, your browser sends a request to a server. The server then sends back data, which your browser displays as a web page. This process happens in seconds, making the vast resources of the internet readily accessible. Imagine trying to find a single book in the world's largest library without a catalog. That's where search engines come in. Google, Bing, and others act as the internet's catalogs, indexing billions of web pages to help you find exactly what you're looking for. When you type a query into a search engine, it uses complex algorithms to retrieve and rank results based on relevance and quality. This makes finding information on the internet efficient and manageable. Navigating the web effectively requires a bit of savvy. Here are some tips. First, use specific keywords when searching to get more precise results. For example, typing "history of the internet" is better than just "internet." Bookmarking frequently visited websites can save you time. Most browsers offer a way to save and organize your favorite sites for easy access. Understanding website credibility is crucial. Look for sites with expertise, authority, and trustworthiness, especially when researching important topics. Lastly, protect your privacy by using secure websites, especially when sharing personal information. You can identify these by the lock icon next to the web address. The internet is a cornerstone of the digital age, a vast network that powers our digital lives. By understanding how it works, how to use browsers and search engines effectively, and how to navigate the web safely, you empower yourself to explore, learn, and connect in ways that were unimaginable just a few decades ago. Thank you for joining us on Real Education. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore the critical topic of online safety and privacy. Your journey through digital literacy is shaping you into a confident navigator of the digital world. Keep questioning, keep learning, and until next time, stay curious and connected. See you in the next video.